Today's review, this is going to be regarding to Manta at SeaWorld San Diego. Now, I did not experience it just this year. This is just my experience from 2023, when the last time I visited SeaWorld San Diego. But I had to redo it because I don't want to get, I don't have a problem. So I'll just redo the review, and this is Theme Park Overload's video that I'm gonna be borrowing this for this one. So regards to that, we're gonna start today's review on this Mack multi-launch coaster. Anyway, let's get started. As you leave the station, you will then go to the right, and then this is where you're gonna go see an LED light screen, like a tunnel. But you won't launch right away. You will have to wait there for just a few minutes. But you will then see in the projection, you will see like some arrows swimming and some like fish. So just to kind of get things started and just to get some entertainment. So you will then see it to your left and right, and you'll just be rocking back and forth for some reason. Now I don't know if you can feel it when you're riding. You probably can feel it a little bit just rocking back and forth, which is a weird feeling of a ride. I don't know why they made it do that. Why couldn't they just make it just stop completely? Now, yeah, and then after that, you then accelerate out of the station. You will just do this bank overturn, then you'll dip into the pond, and you will go do another bank turn and do some turnarounds. You get a little bit of airtime on this hill. There are parts of this ride that you may get a little airtime, but this is not really airtime focused. This is more of the turns and the G-forces and really the layout itself. Then you kind of slow things down, and you go to this like kind of boost, or like another launch section. So then you turn around, you go up a little, and you dip down and turn around and kind of do this S turn, really whippy there, and you'll do some more turns, another turn, and another bank turn, and this will proceed to your brake run. It's a pretty short ride. I know it could be pretty fun to go on this. About the ride itself, it's pretty short. Only 2 launches, but it's still a fun experience. When you walk off this thing, maybe you want to ride this again and try to go back in line, but technically it might get a long line. So technically, if it's a walk-on, I'd rather ride it again, like second time, because this is a fun ride. I wish it was longer though. Maybe a lot of people would enjoy it more if it was a longer ride, but I get it. I think it's a family coaster, and the amount of space they have available, that's why they couldn't really make the ride longer. I mean, hey, it's still a fun ride, don't get me wrong. It's a smooth ride. I don't think it's rough or anything. It's built by Mack Rides, and it opened in 2012, and it's still running good. It's still a good roller coaster at the park. It's probably the best one there still. Enjoy it. So for its final score, I'm going to give it a 4. Not bad. I gave it a 4 because the ride is too short and only 2 launches. But other than that, I would have rated it a little bit higher if it was a longer ride and it was a bit taller. But this is meant for a family coaster. I know that this is a multi-launch family coaster, but they should have added more to it. I wish they got in a bigger space though. Anyway, have you ridden this coaster? And by the way, they're using your over-the-shoulder lap bars, so they're pretty comfy. But other than that, the ride sure is fun. So have you ridden this coaster before? And if you did, let me know in the comments. I would like to read your comments and see your guys' opinions. People have different opinions and stuff. But anyway, if you hate this ride, I'm totally okay with it. But if you love this ride, good for you. So anyway, have you ridden this coaster? Post your comments below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.